What's up, guys? Hamilton just pulled up. Let's go see what he's got.
Sole man in the country that I know. No money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
You got you some help on here today, don't you?
Yeah.
Shoot, yeah. What is this?
What's a trade-in, Joe?
What? I didn't think that stuff rode on here.
They're probably going to scrap pile this evening. I've got it, I think, Wednesday. Because if it ain't gone by Friday, I throw it in the scrap pile. We got to get this stuff off the street.
Most places try to get guns on the streets. You trying to get Harbor Freight tools off the street. There you go. Well, ain't got nothing new this week.
Now, like I said, I ain't even got a shipment in at all this week. Got a new book in. Like I said, I ain't got a shipment I got to do.
Gotta have some fry.
I got the step ladder to get one of the woods.
I know that's what I need is a darn step ladder to get up in the hoods.
Yeah, no doubt. Get up over the tire. Have you looked at them, what they call the gorilla ladders that can adjust different heights and do it at different angles?
Yeah, I look well a Little Giant.
Yeah, Little Giant, that's
yeah.
it. But your platform to walk on around the whole truck about there.
I guess them moon wrenches is probably it. And I need them bigger metrics. You know, those bigger metrics. Snap on math, man.
Yeah.
Snap on math.
All these come in roll ups, they don't come in plastic trays. They got the, for some reason they do in a bag.
I'm pretty sure don't have the flat toolbox sold by now.
Yeah, flat flag. A lot of people worry about fingerprints. No big deal. Buying them all individually, you're looking at $548.50. Buying them in the bag, you're looking at $545. And you don't get the bag.
$40.
Yeah. I put mine in my toolbox. I took the roll out.
That's what I did with that. I bought mine.
Yeah. I mean,
You know that magnetic strip thing that it come with?
yeah.
Can you buy just then? I like that better than the regular strip.
I got 43 for 36 millimeters.
Yeah, but look at the blue.
Look how much metal there. I mean, just on that.
I guess look at them blue ones and see what they run. Because I'm not going to use, you know, that ain't something you use every day. Holy smoke. That's a lot of money for one ring. You know what happened too? That big son gun got lost. I believe it laying underneath the frame rail or something.
Call a driver. Where you at? I'm going to Louisiana. Turn around. Come back.
You gotta come back. You gotta come back. You gotta come back.
$100 of fuel. That's $150 right to come back.
That's right. I don't care how much fuel it burns. Bring that ratchet back.
Shipping everything through freight. No, it ain't neither. Because then, when it comes in, I get pallets to go through the center box.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot easier going through 2 or 3 boxes a day than it is 15 to 18 on Sunday evening. They ain't showing doing it on Friday or Saturday. I tell you one I do swap out all the time on the ratchet. I keep it in stock now because they got it swapped it out to them, but 24 or 24, 22. And I think 21 needs on the front end alignment. And I swap them out pretty regular.
Pittsburgh's.
When you have say the smell in there makes you sick.
Man, I can't find nothing I ain't got. Nothing I don't need. That's bad, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's bad. Sure ain't. I can't believe it. This first time ever.
I think it is, ain't it?
First time ever. I think so.
They get a knife sharpener in them.
I sharpened mine on
Stone.
old school.
I'd get carried away with this. I'd see how far I could take her on down. Now you get it racing on
like
a
a
pencil.
fillet knife.
may get it though and sharpen all my butter knives.
I ain't got one of these, but I don't know what I'd use it for.
Like, what's the point of a butter knife, you know?
Looks like you could put butter on with a sharp knife, don't it?
Yeah, or your spoon or anything else.
I guess that's so your kids won't get cut. Maybe. I don't know.
I ain't worried about that either.
You got band-aids,
Yeah.
health insurance, right?
Sometimes that's the best learning.
It's expensive though.
Yeah. That's for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I guess that'll be my next purchases. Metric standards of them. Man, I can't believe that. There ain't nothing on this truck. I like to have a polisher, but I don't know that I use a polisher that much. You ain't got one of them anyway.
Got 6 of them on the order, plus we come in.
I can't believe that. That's a damn shame. I don't guess I did that like that. Ain't that crazy? Crazy. Show me something now. I feel like
You got 1/4-inch swivels.
I got 3/8 swivels.
There's number 7, 1/4-inch swivel. Probably the most popular 1/4-inch swivel out there. Now, you don't know what high they is.
Oh yeah. How many times I've used them?
I mean,
One time I used a 13mm. That's it.
one of the biggest ones in the set.
That's it. I was doing a turbo job actually yesterday and actually used it for the first time. I'm like,
You ain't got none of these, I don't know what you're using for. Like the triple square,
I gotta say the triple squares.
spline. But you working, you drive a bunch of Fords. I know you gotta have these.
I gotta say them. They ain't snap on, but they.
Yeah. Well, if you already got them, you go.
Well done.
We're running a little light this week.
Guys, y'all can see Hamilton has been selling some tools. Like, it's low, ain't it?
It's low.
It's probably the record low right here.
Yeah.
Like, no impacts. I've never seen that.
No. Yeah. I only got an 18-volt battery on the truck right now. This is all the 14-volt batteries I got on the truck. What's right there and what's up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Making that money. Making that money.
Making dreams come true.
That's it. Making mechanics broke since, what is it, 1921?
Yeah.
Alright guys, as you seen, Hamilton's truck was a little bit low on inventory this week, so we didn't purchase anything off the truck, even though we looked around and tried to find something. We didn't have any luck, but we did order a good bit of stuff out of the catalog and off of snapon.com's website, and it should be getting in pretty soon, so you guys keep a lookout for that because it's some pretty cool stuff. Anyway, like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.